Hey guys, anyone looking for a house, looking to move, looking to relocate? We've got a house with open floor plan, close to the highways, so all the roads are good, and it's got an ocean view. What more do you want? Check it out. I told you open floor plan, right? How's that for open? Let's take a quick second look at that. Wide open, fresh air, looks like plenty of fuel barrels there for whatever. And also drum roll, wait for it, look. 2 restrooms. What more can you ask for? It's got everything you need, guys. And how about the view? There's your view, guys. It's kind of cloudy and overcast. You can see they're a little bit rough, but we'll come back and take a look at it and see what it looks like on a nice sunshiny day. And there it is. What's not to like? I'll see you guys down the road. Take care. Bye.